This is a newly renovated bathroom. However, there are still old earthenware pipes below the tiles. Unfortunately, whenever the toilet is flushed, it leaks through one of these old joints. We suspect the leak is coming from the last 90-degree bend. However, as there's only a few meters of pipework, just to be sure, it's best practice to reline the full amount. In this situation, there's only two options for repairing the pipes. Option 1 is to chop up the newly renovated bathroom and replace the pipes, or option 2 is to reline the drains. This is a rental property, so relining the drains was not only faster but also cheaper. We managed to do the entire job in half a day. Now for the after shot of the freshly relined pipes. You can now clearly see that all the joints are completely sealed and there is no way they can leak. If you're experiencing leaking drain issues at your property, give Revolution Pipe Relining a call. Book in a free inspection and we'll come and solve your problem. Our phone number is 1300 844 353 or email info@revolutionpiperelining.com.au. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell to get notified when we post new videos.